Ocean predators you've never heard of. Meet scary hunters. The ocean is a vast alien world, covering over 70% of Earth's surface. It harbors mysteries so profound that even our most advanced technology can barely scratch the surface. We're all familiar with its apex predators: great white sharks, orcas, and even the occasional giant squid. But what about the ocean's lesser-known hunters? Creatures so bizarre, cunning, or terrifying that they seem ripped from the pages of a sci-fi novel. Today we're diving deep, both literally and figuratively, to meet some of the ocean's most formidable, yet often overlooked predators. What secrets do they hold, and how do they hunt in ways that defy imagination? Bobbit worm, the ocean's ambush nightmare. Picture this: a small, unsuspecting fish glides over a patch of seafloor. Suddenly, with lightning speed, razor-sharp jaws erupt from the sand, dragging the fish into the depths below. This is the work of the bobbit worm, Eunice aphroditois, a terrifying ambush predator that thrives in tropical waters. Growing up to 10 feet long, the bobbit worm buries its body beneath the sand, leaving only its fearsome jaws exposed. It's completely blind, relying on vibrations in the water to detect passing prey. When something ventures too close, the worm strikes with such force that it can slice a fish in half. What makes the bobbit worm even more horrifying is its patience. These hunters can lie in wait for days or even weeks, perfectly still, before launching their attack, and their prey, often left paralyzed by the worm's venom, ensuring no escape. Sarcastic fringehead, the ocean's most aggressive fish. Don't let its small size fool you. The sarcastic fringehead, Neoclinus blanchardi, is one of the ocean's fiercest predators. Found off the coast of California and Baja California, this fish is infamous for its territorial aggression and uniquely terrifying hunting style. When threatened or hunting, the sarcastic fringehead opens its mouth into a massive, gaping maw, complete with fleshy flaps that make it look like a creature straight out of your worst nightmares. This display is both a warning and a weapon. Its preferred hunting method? Ambush. These fish live in burrows or discarded shells and attack anything that ventures too close. Crustaceans, small fish, and even other sarcastic fringeheads aren't safe from its wrath. You might think of the tiger shark, Galliosirto cuvier, as just another large shark, but what sets this predator apart is its voracious appetite and the sheer diversity of its diet. Known as the garbage collector of the sea, tiger sharks eat everything, from sea turtles and dolphins to, quite literally, garbage. Car tires, license plates, and plastic have all been found in their stomachs. But don't let their indiscriminate eating habits fool you. Tiger sharks are stealthy hunters, using their excellent night vision to ambush prey under the cover of darkness. Their serrated teeth, capable of slicing through bone and shell, make quick work of even the toughest meals. Fangtooth fish, the deep sea's fearsome predator. At depths where sunlight never penetrates, the fangtooth fish, Anoplogaster cornuta, reigns supreme. Despite its small size, typically no longer than 6 inches, it boasts the largest teeth relative to body size of any fish in the ocean. How does a creature this small survive in the deep sea? By being an opportunistic hunter. The fangtooth fish's enormous teeth allow it to snatch prey in the pitch-black darkness, often swallowing it whole. Its sensory adaptations, including an acute lateral line, help it detect even the faintest movements in the water. Fangtooths are also incredibly resilient, surviving in extreme pressures that would crush most other animals. What if I told you that one of the ocean's deadliest hunters is a shrimp? The mantis shrimp, Stomatopoda, is no ordinary crustacean. Its powerful claws, known as raptorial appendages, can strike with the force of a bullet, moving at speeds up to 50 miles per hour. There are 2 main types of mantis shrimp hunters: smashers and spearers. Smashers use their club-like claws to pulverize prey like crabs and snails, while spearers impale soft-bodied prey with needle-sharp spines. But it's not just their weaponry that's remarkable. Mantis shrimp have some of the most advanced vision in the animal kingdom, capable of detecting polarized light and seeing colors far beyond the human spectrum. This allows them to locate prey with pinpoint accuracy. Imagine a predator so alien that it doesn't even look like a single organism. Enter the siphonophore, a colonial creature made up of specialized individual organisms called zooids. Together, they form one of the most effective hunting machines in the ocean. Siphonophores use tentacles that can stretch for hundreds of feet, equipped with thousands of stinging cells. These cells inject venom into anything unlucky enough to drift into their path, paralyzing the prey and drawing it into the colony's digestive zooids. What's truly astonishing is the siphonophore's hunting strategy. They drift passively in the open ocean, relying on currents to bring prey directly to them. It's a method that requires no energy, but yields astonishing results. Don't let its small size fool you. The cookie-cutter shark, Icystius brasiliensis, is one of the ocean's most terrifying predators. Measuring just 16 to 22 inches long, this deep-sea shark uses its suction cup-like lips and razor-sharp teeth to take perfect, cookie-shaped bites out of much larger animals. From whales and dolphins to submarines and undersea cables, nothing is safe from the cookie-cutter shark's jaws. It hunts by latching onto its prey, twisting its body, and using its teeth to carve out a chunk of flesh. This nocturnal predator is also a master of camouflage, using bioluminescent patches on its underside to mimic the faint glow of the ocean's surface, tricking prey into swimming closer. With its vibrant stripes and flowing fins, the lionfish, pterois, may look beautiful, but it's one of the most invasive and deadly predators in the ocean. Native to the Indo-Pacific but now found across the Atlantic, the lionfish preys on small fish and crustaceans, often decimating local ecosystems. Its hunting method is surprisingly calculated. Lionfish use their pectoral fins to corner prey, then strike with precision. What makes them particularly dangerous, however, are their venomous spines, which can deter even the most determined predators. The pelican eel, Uropharynx peleconoides, is perhaps one of the strangest predators in the ocean. Found at depths of up to 3,000 feet, this eel has an enormous, expandable mouth that it uses to engulf prey much larger than itself. Despite its terrifying appearance, the pelican eel is an opportunistic feeder, relying on the sparse resources of the deep sea. Its bioluminescent tail serves as a lure, attracting prey into its gaping maw. The hidden world of ocean predators. From the stealthy bobbit worm to the aggressive fringehead, the ocean's predators come in all shapes and sizes. These creatures remind us of the incredible diversity and adaptability of life beneath the waves. And here's the most thrilling part. The ocean is still largely unexplored. Who knows what other hunters are lurking in its depths, waiting to be discovered? What predators might be out there, rewriting everything we know about the food chain? As we continue to explore the ocean's mysteries, one thing is certain: the hunters of the deep will always have the upper hand in their silent, shadowy world.